I'm headed to the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, just west of Montrose Harbor and the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly, full-amenity, new 811 Uptown. I'm in Unit 1211, 2-bedroom, 2-bath on the southwest corner of the building. Looking at this great kitchen, it has a wide breakfast bar island, refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, all stainless steel appliances. There's a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave, 42-inch upper cabinets, dishwasher, wide farm-style sink with a designer gooseneck faucet, contrasting gray and white quartz counters, and white and brushed espresso stained cabinetry. Wow. Great walls of windows. You're looking west here, out toward what will be some dazzling sunsets. CTA stop, the Target, looking over the nearly 50,000 square foot pool deck. Just part of the over-the-top amenities packages at 811. Looking out toward the Jewel-Osco just a block away. Just a great, bright, sunny, spacious room here. And there's a surprise. It's a third exposure. Wing wall gives you a view out toward Montrose Harbor and the lake. That's a wow. Also looking south toward the skyline and the Willis Tower. Let's head back toward the bedrooms and to the foyer where you would have entered. Walking into the second bedroom, faces south, skyline view, closet on the wall, guest bath, opens off the hall, of course. There's the plank flooring that continues throughout the unit. There's a light frame designer mirror, soaking tub, and a rain shower head in the shower. You're looking at the point at which you would have entered the unit, where there's a coat closet, enough space in the foyer for a hall console table, full-size stacked front-loading washer-dryer with space for shelving in the laundry area. And now walking into the master bedroom, you're looking west, sunset view. You have a walk-in closet and an oversized master bath with a wide vanity that has 2 banks of doors for storage. Same designer light frame mirror that you saw in the other bath, and a wide shower with glass doors, and again a rain shower head. 811, to repeat, has a fabulous suite of amenities. Really convenient location, close to everything, including when you're standing in this unit at nighttime, you'll see the lights at the friendly confines of Wrigley Field. Great split bedroom, 2-bath layout here. You definitely want to put 811 Uptown high on your must-see list when you're looking for a new apartment on the north side of Chicago. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.